Today it's Thursday, and now it's time to start moving things around over here. So yeah, first of all, this car I need to change oil in and wash it, and then I need to move the Golf out of the way, this car out on the road, and take my van, which is over there outside, and pull it up over here and load on in some new fresh tires and all other stuff that I need to bring with me tomorrow, because tomorrow I will leave for Pesämäki. In the end of this video I will tell you a competition. You have the possibility to win something if you are at Pesämäki tomorrow or Saturday. Now the Golf is out of the way. Put it over there outside, you see. Now I will try to get this car started and put it up out on the road and start loading some stuff in the van. Yeah, it's running like a champ. Now it stays out on the road. So now I will grab some keys and take the van up over here so I can clean it and load it. The keys is... yeah. Oh yeah! I got the keys, I got the keys! I got the keys, I got the keys! Yeah, also, by the way, it's my first summer vacation day today, so now I should have like 4 weeks of vacation. Yes, now I have the van up here, as you saw. Over here is the diff, 3.7 ratio, and yeah, I will take this out now and pour some oil in it. Now I have poured some Q8 oil in the rear differential, and it's over there. Yeah, so now that's filled up, and now I will load it back in the van over there. I have a spot for it where I have all the differential drive shaft and all the other stuff that I need to have as spare parts, like from all the lower control arms in the rear and stuff like that. But yeah, let's continue loading and unloading crap and loading stuff. Yeah, now it's getting sweaty and all, but now I stuffed up tires in my van and all the stuff I need. I still have to load some weights for the tent, and the tent I need to put in there and also stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's up, and it's hot and sweaty and summer weather here. Yep, now I have the trailer outside over there, and the car is outside and ready to be driven up on the trailer, and this van is cleaned. I have cleaned it just, and yeah, so now I'm going to take the van out, connect it to the trailer, and put the car up on the trailer, and then change oil in the car. This is also one way to change oil in your race car. Put it up on the trailer and back the trailer up on the sidewalk, kind of like this, that you get more space under the car, and then throw an old rug under the car and put the bucket in and drain the oil. And yeah, this is the oil I'm using for my car. It's 10V50 F1 Formula Q8 oil, of course. So yeah, now it's ready. The car is packed up, new oil as you saw in the car, and it has been running and it's working. Yeah, what else? Van is full of stuff. I like this pole. No, I don't. Yeah, but however, this is done. Now I think I will try to... The thing I have to do still is to pack my own bags with clothes and stuff, because I leave for Österbotten after this event. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, so now the stuff is packed up in the car. everything is finished, ready to rock, and yeah, now I just have to pack my own bags with clothes and stuff, and then I will maybe go out for a jog, out for a small run, and yeah, maybe grill some stuff, and then later edit a vlog and post it. Yeah. So yeah, the competition. The people who says YouTube, my YouTube channel, and they have seen this video, is the first one who does it on the event will get a t-shirt from one of my sponsors. So yeah, I have 2 t-shirts to give away, so please, the first people that say YouTube and my name at the event this weekend will get a t-shirt. Have a nice weekend, and hopefully also tomorrow I will try to make a vlog during the day tomorrow and see if I have time to edit it, and the evening I don't know how busy it is, busy I will have, if there's some problem with the car and stuff like that. So yeah, please thumbs up if you like daily vlogs, and also please subscribe, I will give you more. So yeah.